Why engineers freeze starting tech docs. So why do engineers, and honestly most people, freeze up when starting a blank document? To answer that, let's look at what's actually happening in your brain. Your mind floods with questions. Do I start with a problem or a solution? No, wait. Should I begin with an introduction? Who's going to read this? How do I structure it? I bet good writers just know how to do this. Well, the truth is you're juggling too much before you've even typed a single word. Most engineers don't freeze because they're bad at writing. They freeze because deciding what matters before writing is the real challenge. And the question to get it right from the start is brutal. But what if I told you there's a simple fix, a way to bypass that freeze and start it in under 60 seconds? Well, here it is. Write the TLDR first. That's it. TLDR stands for too long, didn't read. You've seen it at the top of dense articles. It's the summary, the essence, the main point. So before you write anything else, just dump the absolute minimum on the page. What's the main point? What problem does this solve? What's the key takeaway? Now you're not worrying about grammar, forget formatting, just use bullet points and fragmented sentences. Whatever gets the idea out of your head and onto the page. For example, I open a new README and instead of staring at the screen, I type TLDR, run, make, deploy to test. Configs are in the /config. Or TLDR, this guide shows how to install version 4.3 on a fresh Linux server. No freeze, no overthinking, just action. So why does this work? It's not the final solution, it's your foundation, it's your mental unblocker. Once you've got the core idea out, the ambiguity disappears. You've got a starting point, and from there, expanding and refining becomes a straightforward engineering task. So let's wrap up. Next time you look at that blank doc and it stares you down, don't freeze, take 60 seconds and dump your TLDR. You'll be amazed how fast you go from panic to progress, and even if that feels like too much, just ramble for 5 minutes about what you know. Once it's out on the page, you'll spot the TLDR hiding in what you wrote. If you like this tip, why not subscribe? I've got 10 more hacks like this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.